Hey there YouTube, I'm Joe and you're watching Ink&Iron, and today I'm going to show you how I got this case on this typewriter to match the painted metal at the bottom. They did not match, and I think you can see right here this button is darker than the rest of the plastic. There's a very simple fix that I'm going to show you. You can do it at home, you can do it in your spare time on a sunny weekend. It's really easy and uses stuff you can find around the house. So, get one last good look at this, and then I'll show you what it looked like before. There you go. You can see the contrast really well now between this, area that was hidden from the UV light because of the, handle and all those components. Yeah, that light damage is pretty serious. So, dip in hydrogen peroxide and more UV light, weirdly enough, should fix it. Oh, are you helping me, Zeb? Thanks, bud. Okay, this is 4 hours. Still looking pretty yellow. It may be lightening a little bit. We'll just leave it in there. And let's take a look. It is about 12:30. Looks like it's working. I've never done this before, but that is certainly much closer to uniform color than it was before. So yeah, I'm just gonna leave this out in the sun the rest of the day.